Hola a todos, ahora es el 15 de septiembre, El Salvador's Independence Day, along with Honduras, Nicaragua, and I'm not sure who else. But happy Independence Day. Thank you guys for tuning in today. We're doing a Salvadorian flag inspired look today. So blue, maybe like gold for the yellow accents that it has, but yeah. So saludos a todos los salvadoreños viéndome. Muchas gracias por ver este video. The first palette that I will be using is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm also using some of their brushes, but as you can see, I tried this look and it didn't go well. But we'll be dipping in these two. I hope you guys can see as always. And we're putting that in the crease and bringing it up. We will be doing a halo look, so I do want to focus most of the product in the outer V and the inner corner. Okay, ahora. And now we're gonna go into these dark blues. And we're going to build that up in the outer V and inner corner. What I did next was get the darkest blue and I added that in the exact same place as I added the darker blues. So I did this eye, I'm gonna do this eye. So back in with this slightly angled brush with the lightest blue. I'm sorry, the first blue here. This looks like the lightest blue, but I'm using this blue. And I'm just going to blend that dark blue and light blue together. Very softly. Okay, now I'm going to cut the crease just in the center to create that halo effect. I have not done halo eyes in forever. This looks scary. But we're going to go back into our Take Me to Brazil palette. Sorry about these shoulders if they're not equal or whatever. Back into that light blue. We're going to pat that on the edges and then go over that with the darker blue. Dark blue. I'm just going over that area. I'm still leaving a little bit of light blue towards the middle because I just want it to look like a gradient opposed to just one color then another color. This is so hard. Dare to Create palette from Morphe. And I'm going to choose the gold color here. I can't see. Anyways, yeah, the only gold foil color there. That's what I'm going to use. So I have some on my brush, and I'm going to carefully place that on my eye, but I am going to spray it with my Milani Make Last setting spray. Okay. So the gold actually looks very like green goldy, not yellow. So I do have Stila Magnificent Metals and Gold Goddess. So I'm going to take I don't know what kind of brush this is. A striper brush. I know that's what they call them, like I think nails. Liner brush. And I'm going to just stripe it along the eye on top of that green gold color. Okay guys, this is it. I'm going to scoot up so that you guys can see. I decided not to put false lashes because I tried to do this look last night and my eyes just went through it. It was horrible. But yes, I hope you guys like it. I am thinking about doing a series where I choose a flag, a random flag, and I try to create a look using those colors in the flag. Let me know if this is a good idea. But yes, today is El Salvador's Independence Day. Thank you so much, and happy Independence Day to all the countries in Central America. I know Mexico's is the 16th, I believe, so happy Independence Day to Mexico. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys like this look, and let me stop rambling and end this video. Bye you guys.